Alright, so today I'm at Rishikesh because Canon is globally launching their brand new R series, and I'm here at the event with one of the key member behind Canon's vision, Mr. Tiger Ishii, President, Canon's Marketing Asia. Now what he thinks about Canon's vision for their next generation of cameras and content creators, let's find out. So joining me today is Mr. Tiger Ishii. So, hi Tiger, welcome to Digit.
Thank you.
So, Tiger, what's the biggest vision behind the newly launched Canon EOS?
India has a huge potential, not only just economic strong growth, lots of younger generations, and also huge potential with YouTubers. That's why we are happy to launch this as a center of the launching in the world.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could you tell me which smartphone do you use?
I use iPhone.
Okay, iPhone.
Yeah.
So you are an iPhone user, right?
Yep.
And you know most creator makes their content on their phone only, right? And many big filmmakers like Sriram Raghavan have shot on iPhone as well. So according to you, what makes a camera, especially Canon?
Actually, most of the people may say smartphone might be a competitor of camera, but I don't think so. Smartphone is camera's friend, partner.
Okay.
Smartphone create the world of imaging bigger and bigger. We sincerely appreciate those smartphones' role. And now the time people step up to using those kind of cameras to use more deeper view or wider view or various kinds of occasions. So that's why we sincerely like to collaborate with smartphones and step up to using our cameras. So that's what we are thinking.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you know India has become one of the fastest growing creator economy in the world.
Yes.
So how important is the Indian market for Canon right now?
As I mentioned, India is a huge potential market, most important market. That's why this time we have launched EOS R6V, and timing-wise, India we centered at the time of India, and then globally every country follow India time of launching. So U.S., Japan, Europe, every country follow the time of launching of India.
Okay.
That's why we cannot centralize the launching of this product as India.
Okay. Coming to AI again, because it's a buzzword right now. AI is becoming a huge part of imaging. So how is Canon using AI in cameras without taking away the human creativity part of photography?
Actually, for AI for Canon is very much important.
Okay.
This is two ways. One is productivity of our working. So not only R&D, production, or manufacturing, factory production, or even office working. We are using AI to more higher productivity, and also put into the AI various kinds of technology into the products and the solutions.
Okay.
And since we shouldn't just follow AI, since creation or photo taking must belong to a human factor. So that's why we sincerely like to respect the photographers, imaging, capturing persons' will. So that's why we sincerely like to collaborate with AI with the human factors.
Okay.
That's our intention.
Okay. So, you know, a lot of creators shoot vertically and, you know, horizontally,
Vertically,
correct?
horizontal, yes, yes.
Right. So, and they also, you know, even do live streaming. So, when Canon designed the modern camera now, so how much does creator behavior influence the product?
Yeah.
How they influence the product?
That's very important. That's why we have learned a lot from creators.
Okay.
And this time, as I mentioned, vertical shooting. That's why we put the tripod hole here. That's why easy to use this.
Okay.
And also even automatically image can shift vertically. Those kind of, not only that, we put a lots of creators' ideas how to shoot, put into this
Okay.
to use it nicely.
Okay, so year by year, we are seeing now cameras on smartphones are just getting better and better, right? They're offering advanced camera system. Now you see like the Vivo phone, Oppo phone, they are, you know, giving the telephoto converter kit to the phone itself, right? So do you think the gap between phones and professional camera is narrowing a bit?
I don't think so. As I mentioned, smartphone is our friend and partners. So mutually, we can create a big industry and imaging world. So we sincerely like to play a role with smartphone to let the people enjoy imaging and photo taking, video shooting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Last question. And finally, if you had to describe the future of Canon cameras in one sentence, what would that sentence be?
Canon camera
Canon
for
future,
future
yes.
is for everyone's shooting items.
Okay.
Yeah, that's Canon would like to be.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very
Mr.
much.
Tiger Ishii.
Thank you.